Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be looking at the date value function in Excel. So let's get started. If you have a date stored as text, then the date value function converts that text into a date format which is recognized by Excel, which essentially means that we can only convert values into dates which falls on or between 1st of January 1900 and 31st of December 9999. Any date before or after these dates cannot be converted into date values. Let's try that out for a couple of examples shown below. All of these are essentially the same date but in different formats. Date value has only one argument, which is to enter the date text. But since we have to enter a text, it needs to be in quotation marks. If you don't type in the year value as shown in this example, Excel will essentially calculate the year based on your computer's clock. Now, in this example, we have 3 cells with month, day, and year values. You may remember something similar from my previous video in which we had a date value and we extracted the month, day, and year from it. This is the reverse of what we did in that video. However, we will have to club the values together using the concat or the AND function. The year value can be skipped since it is the current year. To format it as a date, we need to introduce a hyphen or a slash in between the day and the month value. I'll go ahead and use the AND function. So let me select the month and / in quotation marks and date. That's it. Let's try it out for a date which Excel can't read. And as expected, it throws out an error. Now, these date values can be formatted in whichever format we like and can now be used in calculations as well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.